Hello, in front of me I've got BOSE SoundLink Color 2. In this video I'll show you how to change language of the speaker. Firstly, press and hold mode switch button and decrease volume button.
English. To select English, press and hold the multifunction button.
Now,
Español.
select languages by pressing plus and minus button.
Français. Pour Deutsch. 中文. Nihongo. 한국어. Italiano. Portuguese. Svenska. Nederlands. Ruski. Język polski.
English. To select English, press and hold the multifunction button.
Press and hold multifunctional button
Just
to
like that.
select language. That's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.